once the image is there, now we are going to try to use the mesh tool. We are going to try to use the mesh tool to create a sphere that looks just like this, right? So there are two ways to do it. The easiest way is to create existing shapes. So the easiest way is to create existing shapes. So I'm holding shift so that it's a sphere, and then I'm holding space bar so I can move it wherever I want. So this way I'm able to get it exactly as a match. So I know this is the exact match of my sphere. So I've got the sphere now. Now we can use hold down command or command in Mac or control in PC, and then you can click on the eye icon, so it will give you the outline mode. So we can see we have the outline. So we'll do it again. Hold on the command button in Mac or control button in PC, and then click on the eye icon. That will give you the outline mode for the particular layer. So now we can use the mesh tool. The shortcut for the mesh tool is U. So you just have to click on it, and you can see already the mesh is being created. So the more you click, the more meshes will get created. So the more you click, the more meshes will get created. So you can see roughly we have our sphere with all the very detailed sphere, right? So now what you have to do is you have to use eyedropper tool. So first select the mesh tool and click on the, we'll zoom in a little bit, click on the point, and then use your eyedropper tool to pick the color nearest to that point. So this way your colors will be very representative of the original one. So now we will try it using shortcut. I'm going to use the shortcut U. Now I'm going to use the shortcut U. I pressed it, and then I'm going to use the shortcut I. I'm going to click on it. So again U and again I. U and I. So this way, so let me hold down command in Mac or control in PC and click on the eye icon to show you how the colors have been created. Can you see how the colors have been created? We'll do a little bit. So we'll check again. Can you see slowly our sphere is coming into position? So we got it, almost half or quarter of the circle is over. We have sphere is over. We have to try the same for the rest of the, we have to do the same for the rest of the sphere. So it's really important to use the outline mode. That's the only way we are going to be able to get the colors from behind the object, right? So now we have completed it. Half the sphere is over. We just have the rest of the sphere to continue. So again we'll hold command in Mac or control in PC and go to outline mode and then work on it. So we have almost completed it. Now let's see. Let's hold command and click on it again. So we can see we have the sphere. We'll hide the reference image layer, and then you can see we almost got it. We have a small few corrections here and there. We'll do it again. So now we can check it out again. So we can see we have a kind of decent image. Okay, so this is how we use the mesh tool and the eyedropper tool together to create beautiful gradients in Illustrator, right? You can see this amazing sphere.